Hello everyone, this is IC from SINOMADA Heavy Industry. Hope you all doing well. As a trading company with 16-year experience, we provide many famous brands such as Chelsea MG, SANY, and BOBCAT. Today, we came to BOBCAT factory in China to show you some machines. Today, I would like to introduce to you is the mini-excavator E27Z, this model. Now let's look at it. The operating weight is 2,587 kilograms. The bucket is 0.1 cubic meter. This excavator features a unique canopy that gives operators more visibility in confined areas. The lightweight design, which is ROPS, TOPS, and FOX certified, keeps compaction to a minimum when corrosion, noise, and other established surfaces. What's more, the excavator is equipped with a reliable Kubota engine, which has high performance and meets Tier 4 emission standards. And the E27Z mini-excavator is compatible with HVO biofuel. HVO biofuel serves as a cleaner, greener alternative to conventional diesel, offering enhanced performance and environmental benefits. This is a brief introduction to E27Z. If you need more detailed information or are interested in other machines, please contact me. See you next time. Bye-bye.